How to crochet candy clip.
Hi guys, I'm Christine of LLBC, Lovely Loops by Christine. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this cute candy style alligator clip. Okay, so let's prepare our materials. For this project, I'm going to use 8-ply polyester and Indofill in the shade of yellow and white. But you can also use any kind of yarn that you want to use, any color combination that you want. But in this project, I'm going to use this one. You also need 2.5 mm crochet hook, a glue gun, of course, and our alligator clip, 7 cm, scissor, our threader, and needle. And we're going to use also this candle, but this is only optional. Okay, so if you have all the materials, let's start. Okay, to start our project, make a slip knot. A slip knot, then chain 25. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. 25. Then starting in the second chain from the hook, make 1 double crochet. Okay, starting here, so yarn over, insert your hook in the second chain from the hook, then grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops there, and again double crochet. Okay, then continue making double crochet in all of the stitches. Okay,
Now to hide this tail, just put it in the back of your project while crocheting so that we don't need to weave it later. Put it in the back like this. Just continue to do double crochet while hiding the tail. Cut the yarn, then hide the tail. This is how I hide my tail. Okay, we're done. For the color white, just repeat the pattern we made with the color yellow. They will look like this. Now, to finish our candy clip, let's make these two sides. To begin, make a little bit loose slip knot. This loose slip knot will count as one stitch. Let me show you again how to do it. There you go! Now make another 6 chains. You should have 7 chains in total, including the loose slip knot. Now insert your hook in the loose slip knot and make a slip stitch. Chain 2. Make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Let's hide this tail while doing double crochets, so that we don't need to weave it later. Just repeat the pattern around. Make 2 double crochet in every stitch. You should have 14 double crochets plus the chain 2. Slip stitch on your first double crochet. You may now cut your yarn and hide the tail. This is how I hide mine. Just flip it over like this and fold it in half. Then we're done. Make 2 pieces of this. Now that we have all the parts, let's assemble them. The yellow should be at the top. The yellow should be indented down a little, about 3 stitches. It should look like this. Now for the finishing touches. Let's get rid of the yarn fluff. By doing this, just make sure it's not too close to the candle, so the yarn doesn't burn, as long as it's close enough to be warm. There you go, we're done. If you like this tutorial, please click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for you to get notified on my next tutorial. Thank you. Thank you for watching.